Are you having trouble with the IELTS writing section? Well, I'm here to help. In this interview, I will ask an IELTS examiner with over 10 years of experience who has marked thousands of essays on how to get those high band scores. To watch the full interview, click the bubble at the top of the screen, or tune in to our YouTube channel each week for a new episode. Now watch and learn. Before sitting the IELTS exam, it's very important that students are crystal clear about what is expected of them in each of the sections. In the writing section, of course, there's a task 1 and task 2 for both the general and the academic versions of the test. Now, task 1 in the general version of the exam is a narrative piece of writing, an email or a letter, as where in the academic version of the exam, it's having to discuss and describe some kind of a chart, diagram, map in an expository style essay. However, task 2 is much more similar for both the academic and the general IELTS test. It is a persuasive essay which seeks to persuade, convince, argue a point for the reader. So today we're going to focus specifically on this task 2 essay, and the marking criteria does apply to both task 1 and task 2. In this lesson interview, we're going to focus on task 2. Adam, in your opinion, what is the difference between general and academic task 2?
In my 10 years of checking essays, I can honestly say that there's almost no difference. The word count's the same, the rubric's the same, and most importantly, the question prompts are the same. I guess if you had to say what's the slight difference, maybe for general, there are more opinion essays, but I've seen all types of essays for general as well as academic.
So would it be fair to say that a student studying for either the academic or the general IELTS exam can benefit from task 2 materials regardless of which of these two types of tests they're taking and instructional strategies?
Absolutely.
That's great. So listen up, because it's going to be useful for either general or academic students for today's lesson topics. All right. For many more great IELTS videos, as well as original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your mobile, check out aehelp.com. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.